Stop scrolling. If you think all crypto coins are the same, you're already behind. Bitcoin is not the whole story. Crypto is an entire digital universe. Different categories, different purposes, different risk levels. And if you want to be a smart trader, you must understand the categories first. Let's break it down fast and powerfully. Under payment coins, digital money, these coins are created to be used as money. The king, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was built to be peer-to-peer electronic cash. No banks, no middlemen, just you and the blockchain. Another example is Litecoin, faster and cheaper for everyday transactions. Think of these as digital gold and digital cash. Platform coins, the builders of crypto. Now, this is where things get serious. Ethereum changed the game by introducing smart contracts, programs that run automatically on the blockchain. Because of Ethereum, we have DeFi, NFTs, Web3 applications. Another major example is BNB, powering the Binance ecosystem. These coins are like operating systems. They don't just transfer money, they build entire digital economies. Stablecoins, digital dollars, crypto is volatile, prices move fast. But stablecoins are designed to stay stable. USDT and USDC are tied to the US dollar. One coin usually equals $1. Traders use them to protect profits, avoid volatility, move funds quickly. Think of them as digital dollars inside the crypto world. Meme coins, the power of community, started as jokes, became multi-billion-dollar assets. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. These coins move because of community, hype and social media energy. High risk, high volatility, but massive attention. In crypto, attention equals power. Utility and governance tokens. The decision makers, these tokens give you influence inside projects. For example, holders of certain tokens can vote on updates, changes, and future decisions. It's like owning voting rights in a decentralized company. This is where crypto meets power. So remember this, crypto is not just Bitcoin. There are payment coins, platform coins, stable coins, meme coins, utility, and governance tokens. Each category has a different purpose. Each category has a different risk level and a viral trader. A smart trader, a strategic trader, understands the category before investing. This is Dr. Trader. Stay smart. Stay strategic. And I'll see you in the next one. If you like the information, please like the video and subscribe the channel.